Close your eyes and let your ears relax. Let the rhythm of the iron guide you. Can you hear the slow hissing of steam escaping from the exhaust valves? Can you catch the steady clanking of solid cast gears in the quiet air? Welcome to the Engine History. Today's session has no harsh revs or ear-splitting roars. Instead, we step onto the platforms of massive steam traction engines. Take a deep breath and taste the scent of burning coal mixed with warm, lubricating oil. This is a therapy session for the ears, driven by the most primitive mechanical rhythm.
Das ist das Original. Die Biene kommt nur, mach mal direkt zu.
In this calm sequence, we witness a quiet meeting of two steam engines on a rural road. No aggressive roaring, just a deep, steady pulse like the breathing of a living organism. In front of you stands a black painted machine trimmed with bold red lines.
Luca! Hallo! Ja, komm!
Its massive flywheel turns slowly, delivering stubborn yet incredibly smooth torque. Every cast iron panel and rivet radiates permanent structural strength, producing a frequency that eases all tension. If you're looking for peace, if you enjoy watching iron turn and drifting into sleep with mechanical rhythm, subscribe to the Engine History. The secret behind the smoothness of these multi-ton machines lies in their original drivetrain design and precise lubrication system. Steam engines expose their entire valve and linkage mechanisms. You can clearly see the steady motion of connecting rods and exhaust valves. Steam pressure pushes the piston back and forth, converting seamlessly into the rotational inertia of the flywheel. To minimize friction, brass drip oilers line the body of the machine. Operators continuously feed thick grease into bearings. Heated oil evaporates, releasing that signature scent of the metallurgical era. The rhythmic clanking of gears isn't harsh, it's consistent, almost hypnotic. This soothing rhythm doesn't come easily. Behind it are thousands of hours of careful restoration work. Most of these heavy machines were once abandoned, corroded, and broken. Bringing them back to life requires sanding away rust, flushing pressure lines, and machining new brass valves. Every tolerance adjustment is done with extreme precision. When the first ignition happens after decades, coal glows red, steam pressure builds, and the flywheel begins its first slow rotations. That moment marks survival. giving birth to a soundscape that gently soothes the senses. The most mesmerizing moment comes when both machines move side by side. There's no aggressive acceleration, just smooth rolling motion of massive iron bodies. As they run in parallel, their exhaust stacks release gray smoke that blends. The soft chuffing of steam from both cylinders doesn't clash. It interweaves into a layered, low-frequency rhythm. This sound fills the air, creating a calm, meditative atmosphere. Slow speed, steady pull, and giant steel wheels rolling gently along the road create a scene of pure mechanical peace. As the two machines fade into the distance, their sound lingers in the air. The slow, steady exhaust pulses of cast iron have fulfilled their purpose, calming the ears and washing away the noise of modern electronic systems. The era of steam traction engines has passed, but their resilience continues through time, delivering a sense of absolute peace to those who listen closely. Thank you for joining the engine history in this mechanical sound therapy session. Drop a comment sharing how this rhythm made you feel, and drift into deep sleep with the turning inertia of history. See you in the next calm load test.